You have reached your destination.
Yep. Alright, so here's something interesting. I've got my oil cooler, which is here. I had that hanging from beneath my my intake cowl, and it looked like shit. I had exposed hoses, so what I'm going to do is have the hose intake, the fittings, these things, poking up through, and I'll be able to, you know, screw them in that way. So I've drilled a couple of pilot holes, and I'm going to be using a step drill. I called it an all drill, but step drill. Got another one because this one's kind of crappy, and make a couple holes. Yep. Okay, I've got the holes made. I made them a little bit oblong so I could have a little bit of wiggle room, and I've also drilled the holes to mount the things using this. I gotta tell you, this all drill, step drill, whatever it's called, chews through metal like a hooker does through KY. It is impressive. I got the entire pile I just made with this thing, and it took less than 5 minutes per hole. I drilled a pilot hole, and then I drilled using this thing all the way through the entire thing. I paid $35, I think, for this at a big box store. Yeah, not bad. So what I've got to mount it, got my little pile of washers. I've got some. I think this. Yeah, there we go. What I'm going to do next is paint this stuff and the old holes so that they're nice and coated. I've got some plugs that I'll put in the old holes as well. Yeah, got the fan going. It's 90 degrees outside and nice and cool in my garage. Yeah, and there she blows. Not bad, not bad at all. I have painted over the mounting screws. I don't know if you can get it. Yeah, there and there, and underneath. That's how it looks, and it's centered. So I've got mounting screws there. I'm gonna probably take these down once my paint dries. Once my paint dries, so I can put some lock washers there. Or nylock nuts, one of the two, but I like this. It looks really nice. Really nice. Let me back up so I can show you how it looks. A little bit of a distance. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yep, I like it.